Welcome. Today we're going to do a fun autumn themed yoga class. So we're going to go ahead and get started at the top of the mat and bring our hands to our heart. So we're going to start by greeting the sun. Let's take a big breath in and out. Inhale, reach your arms all the way up like sun rays. Exhale, bring your arms all the way down to the mat. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower your hands, step back. Inhale, lift your hips up, down dog. Exhale, lower your hips, up dog. Inhale, back. Exhale, step forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep your arms back up like the sunshine. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. All right, so since we're moving into fall, the days start getting shorter, so there's not as much sunshine. So let's move through our greeting to the sun a little bit faster here. So since our days aren't as long. All right, get ready to move. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, lower your hands, step back. Inhale, down dog. Exhale, up dog. Inhale, down dog. Exhale, step forward. Inhale, look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. All right, how'd you do? Could you keep up? All right, so in the fall, the leaves start changing colors. So let's become a tree. Now stand on one foot, lift the other foot, turn the knee out, and bring your foot to your standing leg. This is your tree trunk. Now let's grow our branches. Can you reach your arms up? And now in the fall, the leaves start to fall off the trees. So make your arms come down. You can wiggle your fingers like leaves falling down. Bring your arms back up and make your leaves fall. One more time, all the way up and make them fall. Let's do that on the other side. So let's become a tree on the other foot. Maybe it feels a little different on this side. If you're a little wobbly, that's okay. Trees blow in the wind. All right, let's grow our branches and then make your leaves fall down. Grow your branches. Here come the leaves all the way down. One more time. Lift your arms, grow your branches, and bring your arms down. All right, well, all those leaves have fallen on the ground, so we better rake them up. Let's step back with one foot. Bring your arms in front of you, and let's rake. Can you really bend into the front leg? Really work here while you're raking up all those leaves. Get a good stretch side to side, and then let's switch feet. Bring the other foot in front. Here we go. Rake side to side. All right, it's time to play in the leaves. So bring both feet to the top of the mat. Bring them out wide, and then let's jump in the leaves, and we're going to land in a squat. All right, here we go. Jump up and land in your pile of leaves. Let's try that again. Jump up and land. Up and land. One more time. Really high. Here we go. Jump up and land. All right, you did it. Well, let's have a seat. All that work outside, raking and playing in the leaves is making me hungry. So let's go ahead and let's go pick some apples. I think we could eat our apples. So can you stretch one arm way up high like you're reaching for an apple in an apple tree? I like to pick apples in the fall. Guess we're still doing some work here. Can you really stretch up, pick your apple and bring it down? You got it. All right. So let's take all our apples and we're going to mix them up. Bring your hands together and then let's mix. Can you turn and like you're mixing? And then go the other way. Mix up all those apples and we're going to make some apple cider. All right, let's bring our hands right in front of us. Pretend you're holding a cup of apple cider. All right, we're going to smell the cider. Take a deep breath in and smell it. Then lightly blow through your mouth to cool it down. Let's try that again. Big breath in and blow. One more time. Big breath in and blow. You got it. All right, well, it wouldn't be fully autumn if we didn't see some pumpkins. So let's become a pumpkin here. Can you roll up into a ball? And we're gonna rock and roll forward and backward, just like a pumpkin. Rock and roll. One more time, rock and roll, and then lay down on the floor and just relax. Take a big breath in and out and just let yourself relax. Start to imagine what sounds you might hear in the fall. Maybe the sounds of the leaves crunching. What would you smell? Maybe the smell of an apple pie or a pumpkin pie baking in the oven. Can you imagine that you're tasting the pie? Imagine what it would feel like to feel the wind outside against your skin. And start to imagine the changing colors of the leaves. And you can slowly open your eyes and start to wiggle your fingertips and your toes. And give yourself a hug and rock and roll back up to come into a seat. And let's end just with one more deep breath all together. So take a big breath in and out. All right, I hope you enjoy some fun playing outside this autumn. Maybe you do some of these yoga poses.